Welcome to another tutorial from the Mqlrobot EAS YouTube channel. In this video, we'll walk you through the structure and logic of the Mqlrobot, WPR, and MA TPSL EA built using FXdreema, a no-code platform for creating expert advisors for MetaTrader 4. This EA combines two powerful technical indicators: the Williams percent range, WPR, and the moving average MA crossover, with built-in trade management using take profit and stop loss levels. Here's a brief overview of how it works. 1. The EA first checks for existing open trades to avoid overlapping positions. 2. For buy signals, the WPR indicator must be above the buy trigger level, while the fast MA must be greater than the slow MA. 3. For sell signals, the WPR must be below the sell trigger line, and the fast MA must be less than the slow MA. 4. Trade entries occur once per bar, ensuring trades are not repeated unnecessarily. Lot size, take profit, and stop loss can be easily adjusted through the input parameters, along with WPR and MA settings like period, method, and price type. This EA is ideal for traders looking to capture early momentum aligned with confirmed trend shifts. Please note, before using this EA in a live trading environment, always take the time to fully understand the trading strategy and risk involved. We highly recommend backtesting with 99.9% tick data and running it in a demo account before moving to real capital. You can download or learn more about this EA from the official site. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next build here on Mqlrobot EAS.